Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode Plus not connecting to HomeKit and Apple Home pairing and not responding fix. To quickly fix your Schlage Encode Plus, perform a factory reset on the lock and pair it using the Schlage Home app's Works with menu. Now make sure you are within Bluetooth range and have a HomeKit hub, Apple TV or HomePod active, and your Wi-Fi uses a 2.4 GHz network without special characters in the SSID. Fix 1. Hard reset and repair the lock. Press and hold the black reset button located on the inside of the door while reconnecting the battery. Then continue holding the button for about 10 seconds until the status light flashes red then turns blue. Now open the Schlage Home app and re-add the lock. Go to the app's Works with menu and select Apple Home. The lock's LED will flash blue to indicate it is in pairing mode. Then scan the HomeKit QR code or manually enter the 8-digit setup code from your manual using the Apple Home app. Fix 2. Check Home Hub and Wi-Fi requirements. Ensure your HomePod Mini or Apple TV is powered on, updated and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then verify your router is broadcasting on the 2.4 GHz band. Dual band routers with combined 2.4 and 5 GHz SSIDs can sometimes drop connection. Now ensure your Wi-Fi network name SSID does not contain any special characters, such as the hyphens or apostrophes, as this can prevent HomeKit devices from connecting properly. Fix 3. Resolve no response or home key not working. Force close the Apple Home app and restart your iPhone. Now restart all of your network equipment, modem, router, and any Apple Home hubs to clear pending data packets. Then remove the lock from the Apple Home app entirely. Perform the factory reset described in step 1 and add it back to Apple Home, making sure to enable Express mode. Fix 4. Update firmware. In the Strange Home app, navigate to your lock's settings and tap on Firmware Update. If the update fails over Wi-Fi, temporarily disconnect the lock from Wi-Fi in the settings, run the update via Bluetooth and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.